Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Can you
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
are you all able to hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice.
Yes, sir. Very good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Have you all written and checked your test yesterday or not?
Yes, sir. Checked. Checked, sir.
Okay.
It is easy question paper, sir.
Hmm? That chapter is very easy. And only one chapter is included. Last chapter, no, that means fractions, no, there was nothing, only one exercise or half exercise was remaining. That is why I am not given. Only decimals are given. Now, next new chapter is
Data handling.
data handling. Okay. You are learning data handling from second standard or third standard onwards only?
Sir, second
Sir,
standard.
third.
Second and third also.
Second standard.
Second and only little things you were given in there, second and third standard. Okay. Now chapter 9. Data handling. Data means what here? Just information. Okay. Data is any information. What is the data? Data is any information collected in the form of numerical figure. Okay. If you collect any information, no, for example, as a student, no, if you are asked to collect some information from your own school, okay, from first standard to 10th standard, if I ask you to collect data in each section, each class and each section, how many students are there? What you are going to do? You are going to collect, go to visit every class, or you take attendance from the teacher of each class. Okay. Then you are going to see in first A how many are there, first B how many are there, second B, third B how many, sorry, first A, first B, first C. If B class is there, in first B how many students are there. You are going to collect all information section wise. Then you are going to say total. First standard has so many students, 130, 140 like that. Then you go visit to second class or you take second attendance. Okay, you are going to do the same thing. Second standard, third standard, fourth standard. Like this, how many students are there? You are going to collect information. Suppose if I ask you to collect information in each class, how many boys and how many girls are there? Again, what you are going to do? First standard. Total students, suppose 130. Out of these, boys are how many? Girls are how many? Okay, all this information you collect, no, that is called as a data. Okay. Next, organization of data. Okay, organization of data. Full stop here.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So, organize of data, what will say, sir, in current?
ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಅಂತಾರಮ್ಮ.
What?
What is your question? Yes.
Organize of data ಅದ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತೆ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ದಾಖಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ data, you know, it is an information collected in the form of figures. Figures means numbers. Okay. Next we have given organization of data. Okay. Organizing means you are going to put that collected information in a good manner so that everyone can understand. Okay. Organizing means what you are going to arrange it properly. How? After the collection of data, we have to record and organize it. Many kinds of data are put in tabular form. Okay. Whatever data you collect now, suppose I told you now, when you are asked to collect information from your own school, from first standard to 10th standard, how many students are there? Then you are going to, first roughly you are going to take all information. Okay, then what you do, you are going to arrange them into tabular form. Okay, class. You are going to write school name on the top first. Class. Okay, first standard, so many students, 140. Second standard, 120 students. Third standard, 125 students. Like this, up to 10th class, you are going to organize in a tabular form. Tabular form means what? This is nothing but a table. Okay. In this form, you are going to organize everything. Suppose if I ask you to separate girls and boys, you are going to put that also in a different form. Suppose out of 130, 80 are girls. Suppose 80 are girls and remaining how much 60 are boys. Like this, you are going to put everything in a organized form. Organized means what here? In a proper form, proper manner. You are going to put every information so that everyone can understand. Suppose if you collected data, no, it will be in a rough form. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಕಡೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಸೊ there are many kinds of organizing data. For example, school record. We put our school record down. In office room, no school record is there. Which class has how many students, name, date of birth, everything is put in a school record. Progress report. You have seen your progress report now. In that, each subject is written: Kannada, English, Math, Science, Social. Okay. First term, second term, SA1, SA2, and SA1, SA2, SA3, SA4, like that. Everything is given in detail. So by seeing that report, you will understand everything. But when we check your papers and everything, that is a rough work. Okay. In classroom, no, when I distribute the paper, you might have seen everything is done in a rough work in my sheet of paper. When I collect the marks, When I write marks, no, that will be written in a tabular form. That is organized form. Again, I am going to go to this classroom and each subject, science, English, and everything, I will organize in a uh, perfect manner so that everyone can understand. Same thing I am going to put in the progress card also. Okay, that is.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, notebook NOTE, sir.
NA, this is NA only, baby.
Sir, no, sir. E.
It is E only. It is looking like a O.
O.
In notebook also, no, you might have.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you wrote there organized so that after you wrote two.
After the selection of here, this one, Z. Two spellings are there for organization.
Sir, record. Sir, we have to record and organize too.
You have to record. This
Sir,
is
that is it. Not she telling
Your-
it organized
Sir, you
and it.
wrote.
E. This one is it. IT it. This is a CO2. Okay.
That you wrote point, sir.
Full stop it is. Full stop. Full stop. Now here, index in your notebook is also well organized. This one. Okay, you are going to write which lesson, in which page. Suppose write page number in each for each page. If you write page number, no, you can write here which lesson when you have completed. Everything you are going to written your pair or class work. Okay, and which lesson, page number from where to where you are going to write here. Then you are going to take your teacher signature here. That is, index is also a form of the tabular form. Okay. Now, representation of data through all of you are understanding now what I mean to say. Representation of data through pictograph and graph. You are going to represent the data through pictograph and also by bar graph. Okay, pictograph means picture means picture graph. You already learned in fourth, fifth, and when you were in third, no, you were given only picture graph only. Picture graph, in short, you are going to say it pictograph. Picture graph is called as pictograph.
Sir, we have to take pictograph.
If you are writing, write it. Otherwise, I will send it. Here, what is the pictograph? As I already mentioned, a pictograph represents the data through pictures of objects. Suppose if you are talking about apples, okay? How many apples were produced in this year, next year, previous year, not next year, sorry, this year, last year, before last year, like that. Okay, so if apples are given, you can write the data in a pictograph through picture of the apples. You can draw, you are going to draw apples as you can see in your textbook there. See, page number 57. This is a pictograph only. Men are given here. What is the information here? The following pictograph shows the number of absentees in a class of 30 students during the previous week. He has given number of students absent in a particular week. Monday, how many were absent? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There won't be no school, no. So how many boys are?
The Thursday not absented.
So one more pictograph you can see here, page number 56, like this. Okay, these are
Books, sir.
books. So we are going to show through the pictures of that object. If you talk of mobile, you have to draw mobile. If you talk of girls, you have to draw girls. If you talk of boys, you have to draw boys, like that. Now bar graph. Bar graph also, I think you know these. In sixth, you learned all these. In bar graph, data is represented through bar, vertically or horizontally. So you can draw vertical bar or horizontal bar. Vertical and horizontal, you know very well, but particularly you may not be knowing. See, some information you can represent through bars. Bars means bar graph, I will show you. See, in the textbook, otherwise, bars, you might have seen in your textbook like this, bars. These are vertical bars. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And horizontal bars means you are going to draw like this. Okay, some information, suppose some information will be given. Later on, when we come to the bar graph, I am going to teach you how to write all data on that. In textbook also you have bar graphs like this. Page number 65. This is a horizontal bar graph. Instead of putting it like this, okay, it is put like this, horizontal. And this is vertical bar graph. On this axis, something is written. On this axis, we are going to take what we call it as a scale. We are going to take scale here. And another information we are going to take on this axis. Okay. So like this, we are going to draw the bar graph. So now let us move on to the exercise now. All of you open page number 60. Page number 60. Keep your textbook open. Page number 60. Again, now I have a new notebook now. New notebook, whenever I send you notes, no, first page onwards, notes will be there. Okay, don't get confused. In last notebook, no, up to 80, 90 I have written.
Sir, board is not clear.
Board is not clear. Is it not clear to everyone or only you?
No, sir, it is.
Sir, board is clear, sir.
Your signal, baby. You just clear your signal. On my screen, everything is clear. Someone open the audio, close it. Close the audio. Everyone must keep your audio closed. First problem, exercise 9.1. These are easy but big problem. They will take lot of time. Okay. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. In mathematics test, following marks, they are given 8, 1, 3, 4 in box, blue box you can see there. Those are the marks obtained by 40 students. It may be out of 10 marks may be there, out of 10 tests may be there. That means the maximum marks is 10, they scored 1, 2, 3, 5, up to 9. No one has scored 10 out of 10. Okay. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. See, all this is information we have collected is in rough. This is a rough way of collection of information from 40 students. Then we are going to arrange in a tabular form. Okay, how we are going to arrange? Let us see. He has asked you to arrange them in a tabular form and answer these two questions. A, find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. How many students obtained marks below 4. As I write marks on the board, you just check whether I am taking all marks correctly or not. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ 1 8 1 3 7 6 8 1 3 7 6 double 5 double 4 2 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ 4 9 5 3 7 1 6 5 2 7 7 3 8 4 2 8 9 5 8 6 7 4 5 6 my god 7 4
Sir, this table draw in fair, sir.
you have to draw in cluster or pair 7 4 5 6 9 6 double 4 double 6. Check whether I have taken everything correctly or not.
Yes, sir, all are correct, sir.
Okay. Actually, no, I should have taken less place. I have taken more place. First, let us draw a table, tally marks. Okay. Arrange marks in a table using tally marks. You know tally marks, how to draw tally marks. So minimum is 1 mark, maximum is 9 marks. Okay, 1 to 9 you have to take here. Mark. This is the tally mark. And here number of students. Number of students. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see up to the bottom there? 9.
Yes, sir.
I have drawn this line. Can you see that line? Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
I will adjust it otherwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I should have taken these a little bit up. I made a mistake here. Once again, check whether all these marks are correct or not. Now here, these are the marks, MARKS, marks means exam marks. These are tally marks means what are marks. We have two meanings for marks. One mark is your marks in a test. One more mark, tell me what is that mark?
Marker pen.
If you write, suppose if I draw, this is a mark, and suppose if a tiger attacks on any person, no, it will make it star mark. Star again, okay. Cat, no, sometimes when attack you, know, it is going to leave some marks on your body. Marks are good. Okay, that marks, okay.
And dog also.
Dog also. Now leave that one. These are, we are going to write here marks means so we are going to use those standing lines. First, how many students have scored 1 mark? You just go on cancelling like this. Like this you have to cancel. You should not draw. You should not cancel like this. Okay? You just, when you can, in maths, no, while cancelling in fractions. In fractions, how you cancel? That way you have to cancel. 1, 2, only 2. So 1, 2 marks. I have to give you. Next, 2 marks. How many 2s are there? Let us see. 1 here, 2, 3, only 3. That means I want to draw 3 marks. 1, 2, 3. Next, how many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 over. Only 3 are there, no? 1, 2. Only 3 are there, no? 3. No more than 3. Fourth one, 4 marks. 4 marks. How many students scored 4 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make bundle like this. After drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, no, with the fifth one you have to make bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4 should be there. Then you have to make bundle. You should not make 5 and make bundle. Okay, this should be fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one should be bundle. Now 7 no, actually 5, 6, 7. Next, how many students scored 5 marks? 1, 2, 3,
Sir, that is 6, 7 only, sir.
4,
5, 6, 7.
Sir, downside here.
4
Yes.
marks, sir. That
only 6 are there, no? Wait, someone talk and can make disturb me and confuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, one bundle, one separate, 6. Next, fifth mark. How many students scored 6 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6.
and 7 are
6 only, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Okay. Next, how many
Sir,
students?
they gave only 2 questions.
What question? Only 2 questions.
A, B, sir.
Find how many A's.
But in question, you see there, arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. You read a complete question, baby. You see the second sentence from here, you will understand. Without this, no, you cannot answer that easily. Understood? 7 marks. How many students scored 7 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir, 5.
3, 4, 5. Now 8. How many students scored 8 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4.
4, sir.
3, 4. 9 marks. How many students scored 9? No 9 here. 1,
3, sir.
2, 3. See, when these are 14 numbers here, 1, 2, 3. I have taken just one below the other, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 4 is 40. And also he is mentioned in textbook, 40 students marks. Okay. And when we take it, they are 14 numbers. Here also, no? So we must have 40 here. Let us see. 2. Students scored 1 mark, 3 students scored 2 marks, like that. Here 3 again. Here 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 here. 4 here. And 3 there. When we take the total, no, it should tally. That is why it is called as a tally mark. Okay, it should be 40. Let us see whether it is 40 or not. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, 33, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes, it is equal to 40. Actually, you should write here 40. There is no place. You have to write n is equal to 40. That means number of students are 40. Okay. So, what we have done in this tally marks table now, it is correctly done. So now we have to answer A and B question. A and B question. What are they? Actually, no, somewhere we have taken in my notebook this is different, and here it is different. Actually, this 5, no, here 2, 3, 3, 7, 7. Here 3 is there. I don't know, in my notebook I have done wrong or here. Have I taken all numbers correctly or not? Just tell me first.
Sir, all numbers are correct, sir.
I will read, just see that 8, 1, 3, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2. 4, 9, 5, 3, 7, 1, 6, 5, 2, 7. 7, 3, 5, 4, 2, 8, 9, 5, 8, 6. 7, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 4, 4, 6.
All numbers are correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
One mistake I might have done in my note.
Correct, sir. In your notebook only mistake.
Some mistake is there. Okay. Let us see afterwards. Now, find students obtained. First, we are going to answer A. Okay. Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. How many students know have scored more equal to 7 or more than 7? 7 marks is here. This one. Okay. Those who have scored 7 and more than 7 means here 8, 9. Those who have scored 7, 8, 9, you have to count them. Here how many are there? 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 number of students have scored either here on that side. What is the answer given? I got 11 here. You have made some mistakes. Exercise 9.1. No?
Sir, correct, sir. 12 only, sir.
12. Yes. In my notebook it is wrong. 12. And what one more question he has asked here? How many students obtained marks below 4? Below 4. 4 is here. Okay. This is 4. Below 4, not equal to 4. Only below 4 means you have to count from here only. 1, 2, 3. Those are 4. Below 4 is 2 plus 3, 5.
2, 3, 9.
3, 3, how much?
8, sir.
3, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 students are scored.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct on back side here?
Yes, sir, it is correct, sir, back, sir.
In my notebook, I have made little mistake here. Okay. So this is how you have to draw a tally marks table. Then answers you have to, just by seeing this table, you can answer quickly, or you have to see here. You'll know the topic. This is like a rough work. Here, no, you cannot. Actually, you can do that work. Those who have scored equal to 7 or less than 7, but it will take lot of time. Okay, it is not easy to understand here. But here, when you put data or organize data in a tabular form, you are going to answer those questions easily. Okay. Next.
So second answer this are type.
Second one we are going to solve second one tomorrow. There is very less time now. No time at all. Time is up.
Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have a nice day,
Bye,
sir. See you tomorrow,
sir.
sir.
See you tomorrow, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
All of you.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. See you tomorrow, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. See
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
What we are discussing in the last class?
Sir, positive, comparative, superlative, sir.
Positive, comparative, superlative.
So how many examples you have given for that?
Sir, 15.
You have given that? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Next, take down preposition. Okay. So write down preposition. Okay. Write down. Prepositions are words words. Prepositions are words usually usually they combine usually they combine noun or pronoun.
Sir,
Uh,
usually spelling wrong, sir. USUALLY.
usually they combine noun or pronoun. So prepositions are words. Usually they combine noun or pronoun with some other with some other word, some other word which expresses relationship, which expresses a relationship. Okay, take that.
Finished, sir.
Write down the examples for preposition in, on, at, okay, in, on, at, from, to, okay, under, behind, okay, between, in front of, in the, etc. Okay, so write down. Okay. So now we have given preposition. The definition of preposition we have given and examples we have given. Now we will go for the types of preposition. Okay. Types of preposition. The first one, preposition preposition of time, preposition of time. Okay, second one, preposition of place. Okay, third one, preposition of direction. Next, preposition of agent. Okay, so write down these four. So many types we are having. Then preposition for instrument we are having, preposition for preposition of phrase also we are having. So that we will go for later. First, take this four. Take this one also. Preposition for instrument. Okay. Now go for the first one, that is preposition of time. Okay. So now I will give that which prepositions we will use for time, and we will also give that where to use them or when to use them. And you have to understand. Just you have to watch them, and later we will use the blank. Okay, in exercise, you have to write the right one. So first one, take down preposition of time. Okay. Preposition in, on, and in at or used for the indication of used for the indication of time. Right. Preposition in, on, at are used for the indication of time. So three prepositions mainly we will use for the to indicate the time, or these prepositions are used for time. So one is the in, second one is the on, and the third one is at. Okay. In. Now focus on that. Okay. So first one, that is in. Now where to use in? Okay. When we will use that in the sentence. So write down. We use in to talk about something happens, during a month, okay, a year, or season. So when we are mentioning the month name, for example, January, February, March, April, May, in front of that, we have write the in. Okay, we will celebrate Independence Day in August. Okay, so when we are mentioning month, at that time we have to use in. And the second is when we are mentioning the year. For example, we got independence in 1947. So like that, when we are mentioning the year, that time also we have to use in. And so the third one, when we are mentioning the seasons, summer, winter, sowing season, so like that. So when we are mentioning the rainy season, whatever it is. So when we are mentioning the season, at that time also we have to write in. For example, okay, North Karnataka will get more temperature. North Karnataka will get more temperature in which season? In summer season. Okay, that's what we have tried. So whenever some seasons are there, when we are mentioning the year, when we are mentioning the month, at that time use in. Example, Example, okay. First example is I was born in. I was born dash 2008. Just a minute. I was born dash 2008. So year is there. Whenever you are mentioning the year, write in. I was born in 2008. Okay. So next, it is hot dash summer. So summer is the season. Now before season, what we have tried? We have tried in. It is hot in summer. Okay. We have holidays. We have holidays dash May. So we have holidays in May. Next. Another one thing is there that you have to remember. He goes to temple dash the morning. Okay. That is in. So the sessions of the day, when we are mentioning morning, evening, okay. So you have to write the in. And one thing you have to remember that when you are mentioning the noon, short period of noon or night, you have to use at. So only for a morning and evening you have to use in. Okay. So this is the first preposition of time, that is in. So write them fastly. The second one, on. where to use preposition on. We use on to talk about we use on to talk about some particular day or day, maybe. Okay, day or date or day. So when we are mentioning a particular day or a date, so we have to use on. For example, we got holiday, or we have holiday on Sunday. Okay, we have holiday on Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When the names of the days of the week you will get. In front of that, we have to write it on. Okay. So we are mentioning date. For example, 15th August. So you have to say on 15th August, on October, on 2nd October. Okay. on 23rd March. So like this, you have to express. So when a particular day, particular date, so at that time you have to use on. Example. First, we don't go to school dash Sunday. Okay. So Sunday, obviously, that will be the holiday. Okay, particular day is that. So we have to write on Sunday. What about the second one? We celebrate. Okay. We celebrate Republic Day. Celebrate Republic Day. That's 26th January. So we have that on. So date is there. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January. We celebrate the Republic Day. Okay. On 26th January. Next third one. I got a gift. I got a gift. Dash my birthday. Okay, I got a gift on my birthday. It's particular day. Birthday is on particular day. Whenever the things are on particular day, we have to use it on birthday, Christmas day, okay, Republic day, so like that. Okay, take them. So now we have to go for the third preposition. Okay. Now third one, that is ask. Okay. We use ask to talk about we use ask to talk about an exact time, talk about an exact time, that is the time of clock. Okay. So when we are mentioning the exact time, that is the clock of the time, so clock of the time of the clock or exact time, we have to use at. Okay. Our school starts at 9:30 a.m. So 9:30, that is the exact time. Okay. That is also called as the time of the watch. Okay. So exact 9:30. So whenever you are mentioning like 9:30, 10:30, 10:40, or whatever it may be, so that time you have to use at. So this is the first. And another one point is that is what at is also used for at is also used for Use for. Night is also used for. Below word. Okay. Then we will get the below word, which we will find right here. So for them also, we will use as. For example, night. Okay. So when we are in night, we are expressing, we have to write at night. Okay. He came to home late at night. So noon. So just one thing you have to remember that noon is the short form of afternoon. Okay. Noon is the short form of afternoon. Whenever short form is there, we have to write a at. But whenever the full form is there, afternoon, we have to write a o in. Okay. So in the afternoon. But here, the short form is there, noon, you have to write it. Next, midday. Midday means it is a approximately 10 o'clock. Okay. So midnight. So whenever such a word will come in the sentence, if they came, so you have to use at. Simple. So underline that. So at is also used for such a word. Okay. Okay, take on the first example. First example. Our school has our school starts back 9:30 a.m. Our school starts at 9:30 a.m. Next, second one. Just at back 9 at 9. We got freedom back 9 at 9. So at midnight. It was at midnight. Okay. Now, based on these things only, we are going to just go solve the examples. So, we will write the sentences there and we will provide you blanks there. Okay. So, you have to write there which one is the suitable preposition. Okay.
Yes, sir. Finished, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we will go for 5 examples and tomorrow we will go for 15 examples. Now, simply the first example read that we go to bed. So
Correct.
no, just wait. We go to bed is that. So last night is that. So we have given the last point data. So whenever night, noon, midday, midnight is there, what we have to use?
Sir, at.
Add. So write add here. Okay. So now here a specific day is there, particular day is there. Whenever particular day or date is there, what we have to write?
Sir, in.
Huh?
Sir, in.
No. Particular day is there. 15.
On, sir.
On.
On. No, but birthday comes dash March. So month inside. Whenever we are mentioning the month name.
In.
Uh,
Sir, in.
in. We have write in. Month, season, year. At that time we have write in. Now what about the year? Year is there.
Sir, in.
On.
Now again.
Sir.
Sir, in.
On.
Okay. And last one, I go to bed dash 8:30 p.m. Now just was the same first one and the last one are the same. But here we is there, here I is there sometimes. But here only we have mentioned the night. Okay, so that's why we use at. And here we have mentioned the time of the watch. Then also we will write at. I go to bed at 8:30 p.m. Okay. So just use the see just read the rules and we will go for them tomorrow. Okay. So just read them. We will go for furthermore 15 examples. Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, very good afternoon. Okay, today we will go for next lesson. So that is water. Okay. So water, it is very important for life on earth, isn't it? So water is very important. Without water, so it is the one of basic need of all organisms. So which are some of the basic needs? So air, water, food, clothes, and house. These are very important for every living organism. Okay, so the basic need. So the water is also one of the basic need of organism, isn't it? Without money, we can live for some days, but without water, we can't live, isn't it? So that are basic needs. Water is the basic need, so it is very important on earth, and it is the abundant component on earth. Abundant means what? It has a large quantity. It has a large quantity. So it is the abundant component. For example, so we know that earth is spherical in shape. So here only we can divide earth four part means only 1/4 of earth is land and remaining 3/4 is water. Isn't it? So it is the abundant component of earth. Abundant means it has a large quantity. So only 1/4 is land and 3/4 is water. So it is a very important and it is the abundant component on earth. So why is water very important, or what are the uses of water? Why we need water? Correct, no? So if we need, every organism needs, then only it will important. So why we need water? We need water for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning. So all our activities, we need water. Correct, no? And also plants, animals, they also need water. And also water is used in industries. So industries, many machines will work with the help of water, and we are preparing many materials. For that materials, to prepare the materials also, water is necessary. So for industries also, you have to supply more water. So for these all activities, for all work, the water is needed. So these are the, and also water needs, plants need water, and also it is very important for irrigation. Isn't it? Irrigation means what? The process of supplying water for the crop or plants. So that is irrigation. Irrigation is the one more important of plants. One more important of water. So for these activities, we are using water. So we need lot of water, isn't it? So how much water we need for a day, or a one person, how much water they are utilizing per day? So how can we calculate? See, for drinking, for which activities we are using water? We are using water for drinking, brushing, bathing, washing, washing clothes and washing utensils. And also we want to go for toilet. For that also we want water, cleaning, and any other. Okay. So first we can calculate for a person how much water a single person needs per day. For drinking, how much water we have to drink? A healthy person, how much water drinks per day? So it is 3 to 4 liters, isn't it? So for healthy person, per day we have to drink 3 to 4 liters. Okay. So brushing we need how much water? Half bucket, 1 bucket. So that is depending on the person and the availability of water, isn't it? So if availability of water is more, we are wasting more water, isn't it? So the supply of water is less, we also using little water. So for brushing, maybe we want brushing and bathing together, we can take 1 bucket. Okay. So washing clothes, washing utensils, and all together we can take 2 buckets. For toilet, minimum we want 1 bucket. For cleaning also, we can use 1 bucket of water. And any other means, we are after eating, before eating, we are washing our hands. And when we came from outside, we are using water to wash hands and legs, isn't it? For other activities also we need water, so that we can take 1 bucket. Okay. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it may be half, 6 and half is nearly 7 buckets. Okay. Per day 7 buckets. 7 buckets means maybe the 1 bucket it may contain 10 to 15 liters. That ability to hold water is 10 to 15 liters water a bucket can hold. Okay. So medium size means it may be 10. So some buckets little bit big. So it can hold little more water. So 10 to 15 liters a capacity of a bucket. So 7 buckets of water a person need daily. So think that like this. So one family may 4, 5 members will be there. how much they need water. Like that, one village means many families who are living in the village, isn't it? So we need more water. So we need more water, but here the availability of water is more. But these all waters are not fit for use because here more water bodies containing sea and ocean, isn't it? So in the sea and ocean, we are getting saline water. Saline water means it contains salt. So that saline water, it is not fit for use. So we have to what, save the water. Means we have to, how much we need water, that much we have to use it. Okay, see sometimes what will happen, we are going to tap. So in all our home, the water is supplied by the tap, isn't it? We are on the tap and simply standing and bathing. So how much water is wasting? So you don't go like that. How much we need, that much we have to use it, means we have to save the water. Okay, so water is very important. So when we are getting water, we are not understanding that scarcity of water. So sometimes if you are not getting water means it is very difficult to face the life. So we have to save the water. Okay, so these all are the many activities we are using water. So water are in many uses. So we are using water for drinking, bathing, cooking, cleaning, washing. So for all activities we need water. Correct, no? So daily how much water we have to drink? So a healthy person should need 3 to 4 liters of water. Are you drink 3 to 4 liters? No. Some of you drink just 2 glass, 3 glass of water. Isn't it? 2 glasses, 3 glasses. Morning half glass, afternoon 1 glass, and evening 1 glass or half glass, night 1 glass. Over. So that is not enough to our body. Our body needs more water. So the more water present in our body, then only we will become active. And the digestion takes place properly. Circulation of blood and all, it takes properly. So we have to drink more water. Minimum 3 to 4 liters. Minimum we have to drink 3 liters water. Okay, per day. Then from where do we get water? So we have more uses from water. Our all activities we need water. Plants also need water. All animals need water. And industries also want water. Then where do we get these water? So we can get water from different sources. Isn't it? We get water from different sources. Which are the sources of water? Rain, river, lake, pond, well, tubewell, sea, ocean. These are the sources of water. From these bodies, we are getting water. So rain is the main source of water, isn't it? So rain is there, then only all these water sources will get the water. Otherwise, there is no water in the river, lake, pond, well and all, isn't it? So the rain is the main source of water. From these sources, we are getting water. So the water present in these sources are very less. The more water are present in sea and ocean. Okay. So on land, large part of water is there. but that all water we can't use it. So whatever water is our using, whatever present on the earth, so it is very less. Only 2% like that. The water, sweet water, whatever we are using, that is sweet water. So that present on earth is very less. So more water present in this sea and ocean. So this water is we are not using. It's not good for industries also, plants also, and animals, and for us also. We are not using that. So this is the different sources of water. We know water in the large amount on earth, but whatever we are using water or water help us to use, it is in the very less portion. Okay. Okay, next we will see water cycle. Okay, so water present on earth. So rain is the main source of water. How the water cycle takes place? Okay. So water cycle, what is water cycle? Water cycle means the water from the earth get evaporated and it will move to the atmosphere and again back to the earth. So that is the water cycle. Movement of water from earth to atmosphere and again back to the earth. So this is water cycle. It is the repeated process. So draw the water cycle. Due to the sun heat, the water from the different sources heats up, and when water gets heat, it starts to evaporate and it will rise up and get cool and it forms a cloud. Here water vapors get cool and condense here. Okay, when water vapor condense, it converts into water. So water droplets are joined together to form a cloud. So all water droplets are joined together and it forms a cloud. Then the all drops together form a big cloud. Then it will become heavy and water drops from that cloud is falling as a rain. Then the water again reaches the earth and to the different sources of the water body. So like this, water cycle will repeat. So here, the sun rays heats up the water from different sources, and when water gets heat, it starts to the water convert into water vapor. So that is evaporation. The evaporation means process of changing water into water vapor or heating. Sun rays will heat the water, and that water will change into water vapor. So that evaporation takes place. Evaporation. So the water will convert into water vapor. When the water vapor means it is the hot, isn't it? So it is lighter and it will go up. When they reach in the level, the atmosphere will be cool. Okay, so in that place, the water vapor present in the air will become cool. When the water vapor cools, it will convert into water. That is condensation. The changing of water vapor into water on cooling, so the condensation takes place. The water droplets are joined together. So many water drops are joined together and they form clouds. So that is appearing on the sky, that is clouds. So the clouds droplets are joined together and clouds become heavy. Then so it will fall as a drop in the form of rain and reach the sources again. Again it will start to heat and become clouds, again rain, again heat, clouds, rain. So like this it is the repeating process. In this process, evaporation and condensation takes place. So evaporation means changing of water into water vapor or heating, and condensation means changing of water vapor into water or cooling. Okay, see this evaporation process, it is a continuous process, evaporation. But sometimes it will take faster and sometimes it takes slow. Okay, but it is a continuous process. When the evaporation takes place fast, so when evaporation takes place fast means the temperature is high. When the temperature is high, it takes place fast. Means in the summertime, all water from the water body gets evaporated, isn't it? So why? Because in the summer there is a high temperature. So when the temperature is high, evaporation will be fast. And the weather will be windy. Okay, so windy means blowing air. Air is blowing fastly. In that time also, water will evaporate faster. So, in the rainy season and all, when we are keeping our cloth outside to become dry means, due to the rain, it will not become dry. So, in case what we are doing, we are switch on the fan and keep the cloth under the fan, isn't it? Why? Because fan means it is a moving air. When air moves, the cloth will become dry faster, isn't it? So like that, when the weather is windy. When the weather is windy, the evaporation takes place. So the cloth becomes dry means what it shows? The evaporation takes place. The water present in the cloth are evaporate, isn't it? So like that, when the weather is windy, evaporation will be also fast and the air is dry. Air is dry. Air is a mixture of gas and also it contains water, isn't it? So when the presence of water is more in the air, it will moist, isn't it? So when the air is dry, dry means there is a less moist, like a desert and all. In that air is dry, isn't it? So when the air is dry, evaporation also takes place fast and the surface area is large. Okay, surface area is large. More water bodies are there, then also evaporation takes place fast. So evaporation, it is a continuous process. Sometimes it will be slow and sometimes it will be fast. In which condition it takes place fast? When the temperature is high, weather is windy, and the air is dry, and the covering surface is large also, evaporation takes place fast. Okay? So this is water. So water is very important. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, and for industry purpose and also irrigation. And all animals also need water. Correct, no? So from where do we get water? We get water from different sources like rain, river, lake, forest, sea, ocean. These all are the sources of water. But the water is used, fit to use for us, it is very less. Okay. The more or large amount of water present in sea and ocean. So that is not fit for the use. It is a saline water. Okay. Right on. Water is essential for life. It is an important and abundant compound on the earth. So abundant means it has a large area or large quantity, large amount. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, and other activities. Plants and animals also need water. Water is used in industries, for producing many things. We get water from the different sources. Rain, river, lake, pond, valley, sea, etc. The water in the oceans and seas has many salts dissolved in it. The water is saline. Saline means salt water. It is not fit for drinking and other use. Water is essential for life. It is an important and abundant compound on the earth. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, and other activities. Plants and animals also need water. Water is used in industries for producing many things. We get water from the different sources. Which are the different sources? Rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, sea, etc. The water in the oceans and seas has many salts dissolved in it. The water is saline. It is not fit for drinking and other use. Okay, how much water used by a family? So that activity table 14.1. Okay, so that you fill that column table. Drinking, brushing, bathing, washing utensils, washing clothes, toilet, cleaning floor, and other activities. So approximately or nearly a family means 4-5 members are there, means at least they want 500 liters, isn't it? One person minimum they want 100 liters. At least 4-5 are there, means minimum they want 500 liters. See, 500 liter tank is there, means for each day we are fill that tank, isn't it? So morning we on the what that machine, water motor we switch on it, means next day also we are filling the water. So at least a family means 4-5 members are there, means they need 500 to 600 liters of water. So that table you complete it. Okay. So drinking, brushing and bathing 1 bucket, washing utensils, washing clothes, that means 2 buckets, toilet 1 bucket, cleaning floor 1 bucket, other activity 1 or 2 buckets. Here 6, drinking. Washing, bathing, washing, washing clothes, 2 buckets, toilet 1 bucket, cleaning floor 1 bucket, other 1 bucket. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 bucket means 100 liters. 1 bucket means 10 liters. Okay. Medium bucket, it can hold 10 liters of water. So that is your family in a day. So drinking a person needs 3 to 4 liters of water. So in your home, 3 members means 3 4 12 liters for drinking. Okay. So like that you write it and how much water you used a day by your family. Okay. So that you do it. And you are having borewell in your own borewell is there means you are using more water. Some of you take water from other side, isn't it? So they are using minimum water. So using of water depend on the people, isn't it? Over no? So this table 14.1, we do it. So over no? See, water is essential for life. It is an important and abundant compound on the earth. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, and other activities. Plants and animals also need water. Water is used in industries for producing many things. We get water from the different sources, example, rain, river, lake, pond, well, sea, etc. The water in the oceans and seas has many salts dissolved in it. The water is saline. If salt dissolved in it, the salt water is called saline. It is not fit for drinking and other use. Okay, remaining, we can continue in the next class. Take on homework.